Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to care for coily hair. This video is being sponsored by Luvme hair, and this is how the box came. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys what the hair looks like. And this is the state of the hair. So this is what the coils looks like. The knots of this hair has been bleached, guys. Look at the knots, and as you can see is HD. So all I'm going to do is just show you guys how to care for this wig, because this wig already comes with bleached knots. So the only thing you need to do is to wash it. Okay, so that's basically what we are going to be doing in this video. So the next thing we have in the box is this comb right here. This comb is great for detangling coily hair. So inside of the box we also have this satin drawstring bag. Let's see what we have inside. So they sent in these 2 pair of lashes, a hair tie, earrings, and some nails. So that's basically all I have in the box. Right now it's time for us to wash this wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fill up this sink with warm water, and I'm going to dip this wig inside of this water and I will leave it to sit there for a while. So guys, when it comes to coily hair, it is very important to know that shampoo will dry out your hair. So when taking care of your coily hair, I would not recommend that you use shampoo to wash your coily hair, and if at all you're going to use shampoo to wash, it has to be a moisturizing shampoo. So it's either you're using a moisturizing conditioner or a nourishing conditioner. They are almost the same thing. You'll be needing a detangling brush. This one is a derma brush. It doesn't have to be a derma brush, any brush will do the job. So guys, it's been 5 minutes already. I'm going to drain out the water. So before applying the moisturizer, you want to make sure you really drain out the water from the wig. Like, make sure that the wig is not soaked in water. So what you want to do is to detangle the tip of the hair first. So guys, when it comes to coily hair, it is very important to detangle from the tip of the hair. This is the tip of the hair. You gradually detangle from this tip and you work your way to the top, just like this. Because if you don't do that, you'll be making a knot on the hair and it will become difficult to detangle that, and when you force the hair to detangle it, it will make it shed. As you can see, everything is going smoothly. Okay guys, so now that we've applied the deep conditioner, the next thing we want to do is to allow the deep conditioner to sit on the hair. Allow it to sit on the hair for at least minimum of 1 hour. I usually leave mine to sit for more than 1 hour. Sometimes I leave it all through the night, because the longer you leave it, the better. So don't just apply your leave-in conditioner and rinse it off immediately. No, you have to leave it for a while, at least minimum of 1 hour. So I'm going to leave it for just an hour, but on a normal day I'll leave it for longer than an hour. So I'll be back to rinse it off. So guys, it's been an hour already. This is the shedding that I got from detangling this hair. When it comes to rinsing off your conditioner from your hair or from your coily hair, it is very important to know that hot water will strip out the moisture on the hair. It's like you're using hot water to strip out the moisture that you added with the deep conditioner, and that is not right. Okay, so it is very important to use cold water. Cold water will retain the moisture you just added using the deep conditioner. So when washing and rinsing out your hair, it is very important to always hold it from the top. Don't hold it down like this. No, don't hold it like this. Always hold the top part of the wig or the bundles. Always hold the top of it like this.
control. Let the vibes come true. Let's make a move.
So I'm going to rinse it off one more time using the same cold water.
Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for him. Bad man, them really wanna test man for him. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to.
So I'm squeezing out the water from the hair, and I'm going to use a detangling brush again to detangle this hair, starting from the tip and working my way to the top.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. One time.
Guys, just take a look at this wig. It's so moisturized. Look at the tip. Can you see that? The hair is so moisturized and soft. So now that you've detangled the hair and it's looking nice, so the next thing you want to do is to hang the hair, like hang it to air dry. Don't use heat. Do not use heat. Heat is what damages your coily hair. So do not use heat. Just allow it to air dry, not under the sun, but in a cool place. Allow it to air dry. And the next part of this video will be on how to style the hair and the products that I'll be using as well. This is what the hair looks like after allowing it to air dry. You can see how beautiful the coils look, and they are so soft and lightweight. I love. At first I thought this hair wasn't full, but after allowing it to air dry, like I can see the volume is just medium, but it's not even completely dried because the back is still very wet. So when this part dries, there's going to be more volume. That's just what I love about this hair. The softness, the coil pattern, you know, it's just so beautiful. So guys, this is what the hairline of this wig looks like. As you can see, it looks plucked already. So I'm not going to be plucking this frontal because it's HD, and HD lace is very expensive. Lace in general is very expensive right now. So I'm not going to pluck this lace because over plucking will cause your lace to bald, and you will have to change it in maybe a few weeks or a month or two. In order to care for this hair, I'll spray some water, a bit of leave-in conditioner. I'll also be using the Cantu Coily Mousse. For the hairline, I'll be using the Cara Care wax stick and a hot comb. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the hairline.
Original Batman. One time. He's butty, baby. VQs, mix and mix it. Original Batman.
It's fake kills.
She give me on me heart, say she give me on me heart. Fine girl, I come in on me heart, say she bounce on the thing so. Whine it on me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing, whine it on me thing so. I say she whine it on me heart. Man, I give it to her one time, say she want it one time. Whine it on me heart. Man.
So you can see how clean the parts looks. So guys, right now I'm going to spray the water. Before washing this hair, it wasn't as soft as this. That is why you have to always wash your hair. Once you receive it, always wash it. That is when you see the real texture of the hair. If you don't wash it and you just wear it like that, you're not going to see the real texture and the softness and all that, and the coil pattern as well. So I'm only going to use a little bit of the conditioner, not too much because I don't want to weigh down this hair. Just a little bit to keep it moisturized. That's how much I'm using. Because the hair is not that full, so I don't want to apply too much product that weigh it down. I'm focusing the deep conditioner on the tip of the hair because that is where the dryness starts from. But this hair is very soft. So right now I'm going to apply the coily mousse.
I mean a bad man them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me things so.
If you are using a spray leave-in conditioner, spray it generously, and if you are using a cream leave-in conditioner, apply just a little so you don't weigh down the coils, and then you apply the mousse to keep the coils popping and defined. The last step I'm going to do is to use the brush to brush the hair. Remember, like I said in the beginning of this video while I was washing the hair, that it is important that you detangle the hair starting from the bottom, from the tip, and then you gradually work your way to the top. So guys, this is the wet state of this hair. So once it dries down, the coil pattern will return to what it looked like before applying the mousse and the leave-in conditioner, and also the density will increase. I mean, the volume of the hair will increase. So guys, look at the hairline of this wig. You can see it comes pre-plucked and the knot came bleached. So this is like a ready to wear wig. The only thing you have to do is to wash this hair and style it. You can go ahead and pluck the hairline if you wish, but personally I feel like this is natural looking already. And like I said in the beginning of this video, this hair is from Luvme hair. I will leave the link to this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.